With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given that the variation of pH during the titration of 0.5 normal Na2CO3 with 0.5 normal HCl is shown in the given graph. The following table indicates the color and the pH range of different indicators. So 0.5 normal Na2CO3 with 0.5 normal HCl, this pH graph is shown, and in this graph you can see there are two positions where at a constant volume there is sudden change or there is a drastic change in pH, right? So at this volume of 25 ml of HCl and at 50 ml of HCl, you can see there is a sudden change. So when we are increasing the volume of HCl, you can see there is a sudden change in the pH, and this point where there is a sudden change in the pH, that is only called the equivalence point. Right? This is only called the equivalence point. So the first equivalence point is lying in the pH range of, you can see what is the pH range of this equivalence point, 8 to 10. So the first equivalence point is lying in the pH range of 8 to 10. So now you need to check that which of the indicators is having the range of color change between 8 to 10. So what was asked in the question, the first equivalence point can be detected by Cresolphethalein. So let's see, Cresolphethalein is having 8.2 to 9.2 and this is in the range of 8 to 10. So you can say that yes, the color change will be there between by Cresolphethalein. So this is the correct statement, right? Because you have the first equivalence point in the pH range of 8 to 10. Now let's say the second one. The complete neutralization can be detected by Bromothymol blue. So what is complete neutralization? Complete neutralization means complete neutralization is the second equivalence point, because here you can see the second equivalence point is the only one. So second equivalence point, right? So here you can see in the second equivalence point the range of pH is 4 to 6, right? So the pH range here is 4 to 6. So you need to check that in which of the Bromothymol blue. What is Bromothymol blue? Yes. So is the pH range in Bromothymol blue 4 to 6? No, it's 6 to 7.6. So definitely this statement is wrong. The complete neutralization cannot be detected by Bromothymol blue. Now the second equivalence point can be detected by Bromocresol red. Let's see. Bromocresol red is having the pH range of 4.2 to 6.3, which is in the pH range of second equivalence point. Hence you can say that Bromocresol red can detect the second equivalence point, right? The volume of HCl required for the first equivalence point is half the volume of HCl required for the second equivalence point. Yes, because in the second equivalence point you can see volume of HCl in second equivalence point is 50, right? And then when you come on to the volume of HCl in the first equivalence point, you can see it is in between 20 and 30. So volume of HCl in first equivalence point is 25 ml, which is half. So you can say yes, that volume of HCl required for the first equivalence point is half the volume, and yes, this is also the correct statement. So what you will write, the correct statements are option 1, 3 and 4 are correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.